Okay, wait, my Starbucks cup is here. Come say hi. Oh, he doesn't want to say hi. Come here, you. Come say hi. We went for one item, and I'm going to show you what it was. It was like Target when you just go for that one item, and you're like, shit, I know I'm not just going to get one item. It was this, which we've been switching out all our lights. We needed, I think, 6 more. I don't know. I think we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got 4 more packs of this because we're switching out our lights here. And I don't know, they just look much nicer and more sleek. And I'll do like a whole house thing, and I'm going to get into house videos and all that. But we ended up getting 4 packs of this and going to Costco just for this. And then I said, oh, we need eggs. And then once you go get eggs, you travel and drift through the store, and how can you not see things? We got our eggs. We didn't forget those. And last time we went, there was really nothing new. And this time they had more things out that we wanted that we couldn't get. I also saw a comment saying, I really love your Costco videos, but I hate how you do the haul outside. The reason being is because once we get home, I want to make sure I put everything away. I put all the meat out. I don't like to have just stuff sitting out, but it was just dark that night. But you pretty much can see everything we put in the cart. So I'm sorry you don't like that part, but I am going to continue to do the hauls just because it's easier that way, or else I can't set up everything every single time. I just want more of a raw vlog video because I have sit downs all the time. Basically just LED dimmable lights. So the ones that we had in our house are the ones that came with the house once we bought it. So we've been in here, you guys, can you believe it? It's 3 years. 3 years. I don't even know how. It's 3 years in April. I don't know where the time has gone by, but we have these lights up above. What are they called? I forgot what they're called right now. But we have like holes, like the way it is, where we just feel like cold air is coming through. I don't know, but Glenn explained some whole thing, but we have these and it looks so much better in the house. I have Tom visiting, you know, Glenn's a little jealous. So I got this and this, but Costco, can we get some Super Plus up in there? Because we really need the Super, I need the Super Plus. I'm sure a lot of people need the Super Plus, but can we get the Super Plus up in there? Sambazon, yeah. Acai, because we want to make acai bowls, smoothies, all that. We've been really trying to eat more fresh ingredients and not things that are necessarily pre-made, which is making me laugh right now because we got some pre-made stuff, but I'll show you in a second. Next up, we got some organic white mushrooms. They look so good. We have been obsessed with just eating mushrooms. We love mushrooms. We love the shrooms. Now, those types of shrooms, we like these shrooms. We got this light because our house, okay, so even though we've lived in it for 3 years, coming up 3 years, there was like so much that went on. You guys already know that. So we didn't really like concentrate on our house to like truly make it a home. And we've done like, not a lot of stuff, but like little touches here and there. And now we're like really showing like the tender love to it. So we're switching out things to make it look more nice. And then, you know, you just want to upgrade things. So we have this light because in our guest bathroom that's through here, through our washer, our laundry room, there's a light that came with the house and it's red. Talk about scary. Like I remember one time I was back there and it was pitch black dark and I just turned on the switch. So there's one switch for the regular bathroom light, but there's a second switch for a red light. And I guess like since our house is older, back in the day, I think they had like this is what I heard. I don't know if Glenn told me, I don't know. But since we have a pool, there's like also a back door so it can like lead to that bathroom. But to dry off, do we sound weird? I thought it was honestly a light that looks like when you're gonna develop photos. I don't know, but we got this, okay? So it's an LED downlight. We got some strawberries. Now, I will say I'm not the biggest fan of Costco's produce. I usually just like getting it at the market, but lately their fruit has been on point, and we usually skip it. So the last times we've been going, we got some strawberries. We went through this whole pack in just, babe, how long has it been since we went to Costco? Oh my gosh. I know, we went last week, you guys. So, yeah, we went through it and we only have a couple left. So we got another pack of strawberries. FYI, yes, we got the Calamansi juice from last time. I'll just show you because it's still on the counter. We haven't drank it yet, but we had to grab it and it was still here this time. So yeah, it is so good. I was so excited when I saw this last time. I like literally screamed. I had a feeling. I said, I feel like Calamansi is here. I feel like it is, and it was. They had some really bomb samples this time. So we tried some cracker with like jalapenos, really good. It tastes like the July chips, the tortilla ones, but with like a little hint of jalapeno. But we got 2 items that I have never tried, and I have never truly tried Indian food, you guys. And everybody's like, what? Like, what are you doing? Like, how have you never tried Indian food? All of that. But yes, they finally had samples out of it. And I'm so excited that they were out because, you know, now I can finally try it out. Obviously, this is not authentic, but this is like a good way to like introduce myself to it to see if I'm even gonna like it. You guys, I loved it. It really, I don't know, I like curry. I'm a fan of Japanese curry, so I kind of had a feeling what I knew what this was gonna taste like, you know? So we tried out the Tikka Masala. This is a very common dish. I know that lots of people always suggest try chicken tikka masala or buttered chicken. So we tried this one out and it was so delicious. And then we ended up picking, and I tried both samples. They had 4 different types, or I think maybe 4 or 5 different flavors. One was vegetarian. It was like a tomato garlic, I believe. But then we got chicken coconut curry with mango. This one tasted so good, like not too much coconut because I love coconut. But sometimes coconut flavor can be a little bit overbearing and it takes over the whole dish where you need some sort of spice or acidity to break it up. But what I was really excited about, that they finally had the rice. And now I'm thinking about it, and it's probably because they never served it with rice, and the rice has never been at Costco, because I've seen these at Costco. We've just never grabbed them. And they have the organic lemon rice by the same brand. So it's perfect because there's 2 servings. And so then Glenn, he picked out the 2, and then we have 2 of these. So it's like 2 meals. And I don't mind, like, you know, heating these ones up, but I've been doing a lot of home cooking. So sometimes it's nice when you get a little bit of a break and you can just heat something that's pre-made. At least it's not like, you know, like a microwave pizza or something like that, or a burrito. I won't feel guilty eating these. We got some blueberries because last time we went, there was maybe only like 6 cartons left and they were all smashed and, you know, they were all bruised up. So I'm like, all right, those are about to mold like tomorrow. So we didn't get them. So we found them. And then I'm supposed to film garlic green beans for you guys. So I ended up getting green beans, and I'm honestly so irritated. I bought these containers from TikTok. Well, not from TikTok, from a girl who showed them. And honestly, I think they mold my veggies so much faster. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I've even heard people say don't wash them beforehand, wash them as you eat them. I've tried each way and it doesn't matter. They always mold. So I'm gonna keep this in the container, but I got green beans and I was supposed to film it, and I was going to film it. I open up the container and I see fuzzies. I'm just like, oh my gosh. I was so upset because it's so wasteful, and it was a whole bag. But now they didn't have these last time we went, so now they have them. So I'm gonna be filming garlic green beans for you, Din Tai Fung style. So bomb, so delicious. You guys, they have a new soup. I saw someone say, oh damn, I didn't get to try the potato soup. Honestly, I didn't like that one. So I don't think you're missing out. But the clam chowder, we finally tried it. I don't know if I told you guys, but I don't think I filmed one of our trips getting it, but we got it and it's so good. And it's not too much bacon flavor because there is bacon, and I usually just love straight traditional, just clam chowder with no bacon, but it's really good. But they have a new soup right by there. And this was, I don't know if I feel like this is pricey. It's $9.99. I would think like $7.99, but it's a Korean inspired soup. So it's spicy beef and vegetable soup, and it says medium. It's basically like a kimchi jjigae. I said because it jjigae. So kimchi jjigae. And it's just like a, you know, one of those kimchi soups that you've seen. I don't know if you guys know of like BCD, or there's different like Korean restaurants. You get your tofu soup and you can pick any type of meat and your level of spice, and then you get like a meat on the side and you have all your sides. So it's really good. So I want to try it out. I'm curious if it's going to be good. If anything, we're going to add like our own enoki mushrooms, maybe some tteokbokki up in there, you know, crack an egg. But yeah, just this will be a serving for Glenn and I, and we're going to try it out. So I'll let you guys know. Okay, so next up we got some baby spinach because I've been obsessed with garlic spinach as well. We got some more party wings because party wings are a favorite, and wings are so easy to make. Also, I love my air fryer recipe. It's very, very easy, so let me know. Oh, the cat. Let me know if you want me to make that. I can do that recipe as well. I'm gonna get going. I just wanted to film really quick, let you know that we went. I felt like I would betray you saying, oh my gosh, look what we're eating from Costco, and you're like, you didn't show that shit when you went shopping? Well, now I did, so I filmed it. Oh, I want to bring you to a business Costco too, because business Costco has completely different items, different drinks, different quantities. You should see the meat section. Like I'm talking about yeah, it's crazy. But I want to bring you to a business Costco, and because we have the business membership, right? Is that what it's called? The business one? Yeah, the business the business membership and all that. But yeah, definitely want to bring you there. Someone asked also, sorry, before I end, if we've been to Sam's Club. We have not. I've been to a Sam's Club like back in the day, but yeah, not anytime soon. So maybe we'll like go there and kind of browse. I don't know. Do they have a day membership, babe?
Yeah.
I feel like they do. I feel like they're more lenient with memberships.
They charge you extra.
Oh, okay. Okay, well maybe we'll go there for a day. Let me know down below if they do have the membership. I'm in Orange County. I'm in Southern California, so let me know. Do you work at Sam's Club? How does the membership work? Can I get a day membership? I would love to know, and then we can film there and we can see all the stuff there. Because I've seen some people's hauls, they'll randomly pop up on my TikTok because I love Costco finds and all of that on TikTok. So I think that's why Sam's Club kind of slips into there. But yeah, I definitely want to see because they have some pretty good items, like really good items. So yeah, that's about it. I'm going to get going. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm glad I showed you my haul because I felt like I was cheating on you guys without showing you. So yeah. All right. Bye. Whoop, whoop.